Hello there, this is 5.3 section, the third video that we're talking about. We're still graphing, and guess where we're still at? At the beach. So we have this equation, x minus 4, and it tells us to graph. It doesn't give any stipulations on how to graph it, so we can use any method we know. So far, we only know two methods. We graph 3 points. We can either plot 3 points, or we can use intercepts. So either way, if it says graph, you choose whatever method you want. So here I'm looking at this and I'm like going, let's use our intercepts. Okay, so intercepts mean that we're going to have an x and a 0, and we're going to have a 0 and a y. So this right here is our x-intercept, and this is our y-intercept. So here I can put 0 in for y. Wait, where's my y? Did I forget to put a y here? I don't think so. I did not. I hear a dog barking though. So this one doesn't have a y. How am I going to get my x-intercept if I don't have a y? Let's solve this for x and see what happens. So we add 4 to both sides, and we have x equals 4. In a previous video, I did an example about this, and this is what we call a vertical line. All values, all points that we have, the x is always going to be 4. So we don't even have a y-intercept here because we can't have x equals 0. This tells me x equals 4. So I can't even use this. This isn't even going to be helpful in this case because I should have just used the plot 3 points, but I wouldn't know that until I try it. So this tells me right here that all x's are going to be 4. So if I graph this over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means that my line, if I graph it, is going to go right there because this one is 4, 0. This one could be 4, 2. 4, 4, 4, negative 3. So you see how all these points here, all their x values are 4. So that's what we call a vertical line. Now on the other hand, we could have something where it is y minus, y plus 2 equals 0. So if we solve this one, we'd have y equals negative 2, and this would be a horizontal line where all the y's are 2. So if I graph it over here, here's my negative 2 line, and all these values, this is x, this is y, and here's my y equals negative 2 line. All my y values on here are going to be negative 2. So this one here would be 0, negative 2. This could be negative 2, negative 2. This could be negative 5, negative 2. 5, negative 2. So notice all my y's have negative 2 on that line. So horizontal lines, all the y values are going to be the same. Vertical lines, all the x's are going to be the same. So we'll catch you with the next topic in a minute.